Hi, I'm Didi Caldwell, the Factory Whisperer. Today we are highlighting the West North Central region, where agriculture meets advanced manufacturing. Each year, our team at Global Location Strategies ranks the best U.S. metros for food manufacturing based on cost, quality, and industry momentum. Spanning 35 metros across Iowa, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, North and South Dakota, this region is a national leader in food production. It's especially strong in animal food and grains and oilseed processing, supported by a skilled workforce and efficient logistics that connect producers to markets across the country. In 2023 and 2024, the region attracted 18% of all U.S. food manufacturing project announcements, and nearly half of its metros are ranked as preferred locations in our 2025 report. So let's take a look at the top performers. So we have a tie at number 5 between Springfield, Missouri and Wichita, Kansas. Both of them offer competitive cost and strategic access to Midwest markets. Springfield benefits from a strong food processing base and proximity to major transportation corridors. Wichita, traditionally known for aerospace, is diversifying with growing investment in food manufacturing supported by its skilled labor force and central location. Coming in at number 4 is Omaha, Nebraska, Iowa. Omaha continues to be a powerhouse in food manufacturing thanks to its robust logistics, infrastructure, proximity to agricultural inputs, and a business-friendly environment. Its cross-border metro area adds depth to its labor pool and market reach. At number 3 is Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Minnesota. Ranked 18th, Sioux Falls rose 11 spots with one of the lowest utility costs in the region, strong demographic indicators, and a highly educated workforce. At number 2, Fargo, North Dakota, Minnesota. Ranked 15th, Fargo jumped 34 places due to a significant drop in natural gas rates, improved workforce availability, and top-tier logistics. It also earned the highest quality score in the region, reflecting its readiness for long-term growth in this sector. At number 1, finally, is Kansas City, Missouri, Kansas. Ranked 6th nationally, Kansas City climbed 5 spots this year. A drop in utility costs combined with strong scores in demographics, education, and industry ecosystem solidified its position as the region's top performance. Go Chiefs, better luck next year. Beyond the rankings, Cape Girardeau, Missouri, Illinois delivered the lowest operating costs in the region, including the lowest labor costs and a favorable tax environment. The West North Central region also leads the nation in educational readiness and talent pipeline strength, critical for long-term industry growth. And when it comes to subsector strength, this region captured 42% of all U.S. animal food projects and 37% of grains and oilseed projects during the past 2 years. From grain elevators to global exports, the West North Central region is built to feed the world. If you would like to learn more about our assessment of this region or any other region across the U.S., be sure to download our report and check out our other videos where I highlight the best metros across the U.S. for food manufacturing. I'm Didi Caldwell, the Factory Whisperer. Until next time.